First of all, welcome to Inish Dun, the island fortress where the cranes have been coming for over 10 million years. My name is Kurt Donnell, and I'm the caretaker of this little slice of heaven. Well, first of all, people always say, is it really an island? And yes, it is. It's called Doodle Island, but you don't have to take a boat to get here. You can drive right off of the highway, right onto the island. We've got 17.5 acres here, and it's where we chose to build this little getaway. So I've always loved flowing water, more so than lakes, and so that's what attracted us to the location in the first place. Well, I'm probably most proud of my family and my faith. I have 3 children and then 2 stepchildren, and we have a blended family there. Been a long struggle to get this done. Actually, my stepdaughter died of cancer here 4 years ago, and part of it is kind of a tribute to her. We planted a willow tree out on the tip of the island for her, and she always loved it out here, so that's important to us. I designed the building. I think it fits pretty well in the space. It's a 48 by 60. It's got a 28 by 32 living quarters with a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story situation. And then we have our gathering room or conference room, which is 28 by 28. That'll seat 21. And then we have a 20 by 60 RV bay. Kitchen has Cambria quartz countertops and backsplash. As you can see, we've got 18-inch stem walls that are 10 inches wide. It's a Saltbox design. It's got a 16-foot sidewall on the high side with a 412 pitch, and then on the low side it's 12 foot and has a 2.5 by 12 pitch. After it was designed, we added that second story in the living area to give us a bunkhouse where we've got 2 queen beds up there and another shower and a little getaway, a place for my office and a little living room. So that turned out fairly nice too, I think. One of the things I really like most about this is you can open the whole building up and it makes a giant U shape. So you can use it for lots of different purposes, whether it's, like I said, whether it's a wedding, whether it's a big family gathering, whether you're just trying to get people in out of the snow and park cars in here. It's a little bit of everything. So that's part of what I like about it, I guess, is the multi-use capability of it. This whole process really took about 2.5 years. You know, if I was to give somebody advice, I'd say double your budget and double your time frame. When we looked at the design, I got to give a shout out to Anna Christina. She really did a great job of the design and the drafting and gave me some options on how to actually save some costs. We got rid of some overhangs and we got rid of the wainscoting. A couple other changes we made. We went to flush mount girts. That was requested by our construction crew, and we went to a standing seam roof. I wanted that just for weather purposes too, I guess, and I like the looks of it as well. Some difficulties with some of the delivery schedule, but I have to say that Eric Beavers did a great job. We ran into a couple of bumps in the road, and he was spot on. I mean, he resolved the issues, and we got them taken care of. And J.J. Simmons with Dead On Steel Erectors out of Alliance, he and 3 guys put this whole building up in less than 10 days. I'd be remiss if I didn't call out our general contractor as well, Duncan Tice, Scott Tice, and our site superintendent, Jace Woolen. He did a great job of keeping all the subs going. We got through all of those things, and we're very happy with how it turned out.